Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a super cute, adorable project here. It's a smaller version of this a calendar year photo folio that I showed you guys yesterday or in my previous video. I made a smaller version, a more kind of notebook style, something a little bit more feels great in your hands. Anyway, but I'm going to take you through it. But what I want to tell you is that if you bought this tutorial right here, you're going to get this. All right, I'm going to give you a cutting guide for this size. So it's the same exact assembly, just the dimensions are different because it's smaller. All right, guys, so if you already bought this tutorial, you will get this. Just give me a couple days to get it to you, but there's no additional purchase. If you buy the tutorial now, you will get this as well. All right, so you're going to get both sizes in this particular tutorial, but a bunch of you have already purchased it, so I just want to let you know you will get the dimensions for this. All right, and I made this one out of file folders. So there will also be a little how-to video that I will send you a link to. All right, I already have your email. I have all that good stuff. I will send you a link to the how-to videos because the assembly for the file folder is a little different. But if you make it from cardstock, it's exactly the same as this one, just different dimensions. And I'll explain that all. But I want to show you how freaking adorable this one is in this particular size. It's just super cute. But paper, let's talk about paper very quickly. I used the Photoplay Party Girl collection. I used one 12 by 12 collection pack. And then I coupled that with the pink Paislee. It's a party one too. I don't know what it's called, darn it. Gosh, I hate when they don't put the name. Oh, Birthday Bash. Hello. Pink Paislee Birthday Bash. And then these are so freaking fabulous. When these first came out, I was like, ugh, another junk item. But they're so cute. It's like this transfer tape. It's by Crepe Paper, Maggie, Holmes. And it's the hashtag love this from the heart. And it's from her Gather collection. So it's this tape transfer. And the item number is 375853. And then the item number for the pink Paislee cutouts or die cuts is 310452. All right. I also use 3 sheets of paper from the pink Paislee Birthday Bash collection, and I will show you what that is in a minute. But most of the good stuff is on this paper collection. It's Photoplay's Party Girl is what I used. All right. These super cute paper clips were a gift from Joe. So thank you, Joe. I used them here. But out of file folders, guys, so because I use a file folder, you get a pocket. All right, I used it to our advantage here. I didn't want to lose it, cut it straight out. So you got a pocket in the front, and I also put a closure on this one. This little loop here, I made a loop on my closure. This is so I can suspend a charm from here, but I don't have a super cute charm for this, so I just don't want to slap anything on there. So that's what the loop is for a charm. Okay, so you open it up, the closure is on the back. That's what it looks like on the back side, and this glitter is coming up a little too green, but it really isn't. It's a really soft green, but that's probably, it's like a more greenish gold, and it's called Olivine. All right, Olivine or Olivine, and it's the Martha Stewart glitter as well. It's a greenish goldish color. All right, it's not super duper green. The way it's showing up in this camera. So same as yesterday, we've got this really super cool fold out. Here, 2 photo mats with stickers and stuff from the collection. Again, this is all made out of file folders. So if you all have letter size file folders like these, and these come like in a box of 100, and I know you all got like a bazillion of these, whatever color you want. I made it out of the letter size, and these are to accommodate an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. All right, so that's what you file away in these, 8.5 by 11. All right, so look at total cuteness. Again, because of the file folder, you get 2 pockets, one on the outside, one on the inside. Okay. And this is from the Photoplay paper collection. Look at how cute! The embellishments from the pink Paislee collection, and the 3 photo mats just like I showed you before. And there's the paper that I use from the pink Paislee birthday bash collection. I needed some more paper, so I used 3 of those. And these are just darling, perfect for your 4x6s, all magnetized. Oh, I forgot. You see this gold leopard print paper that I have here? It's from the Typecast collection. Let me grab it. This paper collection right here, it's exclusive to Michael's, and I use this pattern in this particular one. I got to tell you, this is like the perfect paper pad to just kind of supplement in with other paper collections. It's really cute. It's worked with the Prima, with this one here, and now with this one here. So really cute, guys. You got to pick it up if you can. And now you're going to open this up and check it out, my friends. How freaking fabulous is that? So you get a calendar year right at a glance in front of you. You get your 12 photographs, again, all magnetized for either your portrait or your landscape photos. You get to see the pretty paper. And look at that transfer tape right here, guys. That tape runner that I told you about. You got to get the hang of it, though, because I goofed up in a couple, but it still looks super cute. See, there's the heart. You get 2 patterns in the package. So in the package, you get 2 of these. One is the type, and this one says, "From the heart, hashtag love this." And the second one is this super cute these little hearts. And that's what you see up here. It takes a little bit of practice, but, you know, I don't care if it's not super perfect. I think it's still adorable. And that's what you get. All of the tags are exactly, the photo mats, excuse me, are exactly the same in each pocket. All right, in all 12 pockets, all of your photo mats are exactly the same. The backs are all white. So what you see here in the front is the only thing that's decorated. All right, all of the backs are white for photo mats. So for the center photo mat, I just did the double heart. All right, because I got tired of messing it up. So I just did the double heart in the centers. But look at how cute, how beautiful these embellishments and these 2 paper collections work together. I am just in love with this. So you can absolutely add a gift card to this. You can suck a $20 bill in here if you want to, if you're giving this as a gift. Just really, really cute, guys. And the size is smaller. It's more compact. I had to zoom my camera out before for the other one. I had a 9x9 footprint. This has a 9x7.5-inch footprint. All right, so it is a lot smaller, and it's adorable. It's really, really cute. And with that closure, guys, you cannot go wrong. Remember, these all pop off for convenience, so you can look at the pictures and all of that good stuff. Everything is just super cute. And none of this is not glued on. This is held on with a paper clip, which is super cute. Again, Joe gave me these as well. They are darling. And look at this one over here. I have no idea where she got these from, but they're super cute. What people are doing with paper clips nowadays is amazing. So I love them. Look at the hashtag paperclip here. And this is, again, from the die cut collection. Super adorable. I mean, just the cuteness meter is at 12. I say at 12 because this is a calendar year. You get 12 pockets right here in this one little ensemble, and it's just perfection. Next up, I'm going to bring you, because I have to do a boy gift, so I'm going to do the same exact thing with this paper collection. The Photoplay Party Boy. Love. I don't know what embellishments I'm going to pair that up with, but as soon as I figure it out, I will let you all know and show you the finished product. So let's close this up. I'm going to link you down below to the tutorial, guys. If you haven't picked it up, remember, you will get the tutorial, step-by-step instructions on how to make this, and then I'm going to give you a cutting guide, because the assembly is going to be exactly the same, on how to make this smaller version. And then you will get an assembly video on how to make it from from file folders, because this jacket part, I'm calling it the jacket part, is a little bit different if you're using file folders. And I want you to be able to use your file folders. I know you guys have a bazillion file folders. I know it because I have them. So here we go. So, and it'll all make sense to you once you get the files. All right. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at info@paperphenomenon.com, and I'll link you down below. I'll link you down below to your purchase options if you haven't picked this one up yet. If you haven't, you must. You're going to love this. All right, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time, super cute. If you're looking for this in my shop, it's called 12, Roman numeral number 12, a calendar year. And for your convenience, I will link you all down below. Thank you so much.